Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Evergreen Champs. Today we will discuss about trigonometry. Already trigonometry part 1 you have seen. Already మన ఛానల్లో trigonometry part 1 అప్లోడ్ చేసాం. దానికి చాలా మంచి వ్యూస్ వచ్చాయి. సో ఇప్పుడు మనం part 2 రిమైనింగ్ సమ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ we will do now. Okay? ఈ వీడియోని స్కిప్ చేయకుండా చూడండి. సో మీకు కంటెంట్ ఈజీగా అర్థమవుతుంది. ప్రతి వీడియోను మిస్ కాకుండా చూడండి. సో మనం ఇప్పుడు టాపిక్లోకి వెళ్దాం. ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ ఇన్ ద ఫస్ట్ దట్ మీన్ ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్ we have learned sin theta cos theta trigonometric functions and their values. Sin theta cos theta tan theta sin 30 sin 45 like that. On that day I have explained the table. Yes, now today I will explain the definitions of sin theta cos theta functions. Definitions. Trigonometric functions are always based on the right angle triangle. It is always based on the right angle triangle ABC. So the first function sin theta. For example, this is the angle is theta. Sin theta means opposite side of theta. Opposite side of theta by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side of theta? Theta opposite side is AB. So AB by, what is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse means opposite side of right angle. Remember that hypotenuse means always opposite side of right angle. So this is the right angle here, B. So this opposite side is AC. So sin theta equals to AB by AC. Now cos theta. Cos theta formula. Adjacent side. Adjacent side of theta by hypotenuse. Adjacent side means that is aanukoni unnadi. That mean adjacent side of theta. Theta adjacent side is BC. So BC by hypotenuse same AC. So cos theta equals to BC by AC. Tan theta. So tan theta equals to tan theta formula already we know, sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta. So divide these two functions. So if you divide hypotenuse will be cancelled. So what is the remaining? Opposite side of theta by adjacent side of theta. Next, now we will write inverse. Inverse function of sin theta is cosec theta. Cosec theta means inverse of sin. So that is 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta means reciprocal of sin theta. Sin theta means opposite side of theta by hypotenuse. What is the reciprocal? Reciprocal means numerator denominator will exchange. So 1 by sin theta means hypotenuse by opposite side. Same. Next, sec theta. Sec theta is the inverse function of cos theta. So 1 by cos. Cos theta means adjacent side by hypotenuse. 1 by cos means reciprocal. Hypotenuse by adjacent side. Next, cot theta. Cot theta means it is the reciprocal of tan theta. Cot theta equals to reciprocal of tan, 1 by tan theta. Tan theta means opposite side of theta by adjacent side. 1 by tan means reciprocal. Numerator will becomes denominator, denominator will becomes numerator. So adjacent side of theta, adjacent side by opposite side. Now basing on this we will solve some problems, okay? Okay, now first problem. In a right angle triangle, find sin C and cos C, tan C. Diagram is given. A, B, C. This is 13 centimeters. This is 5 centimeters. Yes. C here. C. The angle is C here. So this is C. Here B is the right angle. So what is hypotenuse here? AC is the hypotenuse. Why? Because opposite side of right angle is always hypotenuse. So first this ABC is a right angle triangle. So we will apply Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equals to base square plus height square. What is hypotenuse? AC. AC square equals to base AB square plus height BC square. AC is how much? Hypotenuse already given in the figure. 13 square equals to AB not given. So you have to write as it is. BC square 5 square. 13 square 13 13s are 169 equals to AB square plus 5 5s are 25. So 169 here plus 25. When it comes to this side minus AB square. So AB equals to, here square is there. When it comes to this side it will become root. And 169 minus 25 is how much? 169 minus 25. 9 minus 5 is 4. 6 minus 2, 4. 144. So AB equals to square root of 144. So 11 11s are 121, 12 12s are 144. So AB equals to 12 centimeters. AB equals to 12 centimeters. Now we know AB, BC, CA. Now first we will find out sin C. Sin C. Before that I have explained the definition. Sin theta means opposite side of theta by hypotenuse. Here instead of theta C is given. So opposite side of C by hypotenuse. So sin C equals to, what is the opposite side of C? Opposite side. C opposite side is AB. AB by hypotenuse not change AC. So AB equals to 12, AC equals to 13. So sin C equals to 12 by 13. Next cos C. Cos C means formula adjacent side of C by hypotenuse. So cos C equals to, now adjacent side of C, that means that is BC. BC by hypotenuse is same AC. BC is how much? 5. 5 by 30. So now Next, last one, tan C. Tan C formula, opposite side of C by opposite side of C by adjacent side of C. So tan C equals to, what is the opposite side? AB. This is the opposite. Next, adjacent side means BC. So tan C equals to 12 by 5. So this is the finding method. If any one is given, we have to do by Pythagoras theorem. We will find out another side and find the sine, cos, tan values. Okay. Next, we will solve one more problem. Next, one more problem. We will solve the second one. In a right angle triangle, ABC, 3 tan A equals to 4. 3 tan A equals to 4. Then find sin A plus cos A. First we will draw the right angle triangle A, B, C. Now tan A is given. Tan A equals to 4. Here 3 is the multiplier. When it comes to this side, divisor. So 3 tan A equals to 4. Tan A equals to 4 by 3. And what is the formula of tan A? Tan A means opposite side of A by adjacent side of A. Now A is here. What is the opposite side of A? BC. So this is 4. Opposite side of A is 4. Adjacent side of A is AB, that is 3. So we know two values. So now we want to find hypotenuse. So apply the Pythagoras theorem. PT means Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square AC square equals to base square BC square plus height square AB square. Pythagoras theorem formula is hypotenuse square equals to base square plus height square. AC we don't know, so we write as it is. BC 4 square, AB 3 square. So AC square equals to 4 square 16, 3 square 9. So AC square equals to 25. AC equals to under root of 25. Here square is there. When it comes to this side, root. So root 25 is 5. So AC equals to 5. Now we will find sin A. Sin A. The formula of sin A is opposite side of A by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side of A? Opposite side of A is BC. BC by hypotenuse is AC. So sin A equals to, the BC value is 4, AC value is 5. So sin A 4 by 5. Next cos A. Cos A, adjacent side of A by hypotenuse. Adjacent side of A is AB by hypotenuse AC. So AB how much? 3. Next AC 5. So sin A 4 by 5. Next cos A 3 by 5. Now what is the question? Sin A plus cos A. Sin A 4 by 5. plus cos A 3 by 5. These two are like fractions. What is mean by like fraction? Like fraction means the denominator will be same. So directly you have to add 4 plus 3 by 5. So 7 by 5. So sin A plus cos A equals to 7 by 5. Okay, the answer is 7 by 5. Next we will go to one more topic. Now we will learn trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities. Identity means compulsory. You have to remember that will be 1. So first identity, we have 3 identities. First identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Second one is sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Third one is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. Everyone, you have to remember these 3 identities. These are very important. So if sin value is given, we have to find cos value, means use this identity and find. If sin square theta equals to, here plus cos square theta, when it comes to this side 1 minus cos square theta. Vice versa, we can find the vice versa value of sin and cos. If sin is given, we will find cos. If cos is given, we will find sin. Next, as usual, second one also. If sec value is given, we will find tan theta. If tan theta value is given, we will find sec theta. So sec square theta equals to 1 plus, here minus there, when it comes to this side plus. Next, cosec square equals to 1 plus cot square. So many students are confused, but very easy. So you have to first remember these three identities, then you can easily solve problems. Okay, I will write one problem. Under root 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. Wait a minute. Now we will solve one problem basing on these identities. Under root 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta equals to cosec theta plus cot theta. Prove that under root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta equals to cosec theta plus cot theta. First we will take LHS. Under root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. I will rationalize this 1 plus cos theta. I will rationalize the denominator. That means, see here, rationalize means 1 plus cos theta. I will multiply and divide with 1 plus cos theta. I will multiply and divide with 1 plus cos theta. Numerator and denominator. 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Multiply and divide with 1 plus cos theta. So under root of 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, x into x, x square, 2 into 2, 2 square, like that. 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta whole square by 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. This is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. What is the formula of a minus b into a plus b? A square minus b square. So instead of a 1 there, instead of b, here cos theta is there. So 1 square minus cos theta square. And so under root of 1 plus cos theta whole square by 1 square 1 cos theta whole square cos square theta under root. Already before this problem I have explained trigonometric identities. The first identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. But here what is there? 1 minus cos square theta is there. So sin square theta equals to 1. Here plus cos square. When it comes to that side minus. So instead of 1 minus cos square theta, we will write sin square theta. Am I right? Okay. 1 plus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. So I am dividing the root 1 plus cos theta whole square by under root of sin square theta. Square root cancel, square root cancel. So what is remaining? 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. Now divide the terms 1 plus cos theta by sin theta, that equals to 1 by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta. Just I am dividing the terms only. Now 1 by sin theta, reciprocal of sin theta is called cosec theta. Already I have explained. So 1 by sin theta means cosec theta plus cos theta by sin theta, that is the inverse function of tan theta. Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. So here the inverse is there, cos by sin there. So inverse of tan is cot. So cot theta. So LHS equals to RHS. We have proved the problem basing on the identities. Okay, hope you like it. So keep continue, watch our channel, like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.